Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a Happy Easter 2015 pickup truck. We have a custom 69 Chevy pickup. And it's from Farm Fresh Eggs Farm. Farm Fresh Egg Farm. Number 15 on this car let me know that it is a 2015, and it says it right there according to my daughter's better eyesight than mine. We'll get out and look at it in a moment. 2014 copyright. 6 cars you can get, or 6 vehicles you can get. Let's get this out of the package. Whoa, I bumped it. Alright, let's see. There we go. And that is coming off easily. Look at that, it just like popped right off. Extra protector. Blue. Baby blue. All wheels roll well. Yellow mags. Plastic bottom. This vehicle is made in Thailand. Cool logo on the side. Farm Fresh Eggs. Established 2015. Headlights are hidden. Taillights are hidden. Don't think that's supposed to happen, but they are. Alright. Is it a straight roller? Pretty straight, pretty straight. Ooh. Try that this direction while not holding the ball. Oh, on its side. Okay. Well, I'm holding the ball here. Much better. Come on, where we going? It's real riding now. All right. Let's see how's it drift. Nice. I think I can have a lot of fun with this one. Bam! I like it. It's definitely going into the Timmy's 10 Again toy collection. Easter is coming up. Happy Easter to anybody watching. I'm really digging that color. You can see inside. Steering is on the left. D10 out.